Hey everyone! You won't believe the game changer I found today. If you've been struggling with digestion issues, bloating, or just feeling sluggish after meals, you need to hear about this product. It's called Finessa, and trust me, it's like a reset for your whole system. From the moment I started using it, I could feel a difference in my energy levels. No more bloating after meals, and digestion? Smooth sailing. It's packed with natural ingredients like dandelion, milk thistle, and turmeric, all known for their amazing digestive and liver-supporting properties. These ingredients work together to support your gut, liver, and metabolism, making you feel lighter and more comfortable every day. If you're someone who's been dealing with discomfort like constipation or bloating, this really targets those issues. What's even better is that it doesn't just stop at digestion, it helps with cholesterol and blood sugar balance, which is a huge win for me. What I love most is how it fits so naturally into my routine. It's super easy to take, and it's not just about feeling better on the inside but looking and feeling more energized. Honestly, it's like a weight has been lifted, not just physically but emotionally too. I've been using it daily now, and let me tell you, I can't imagine going back to how I felt before. It's honestly one of those products that makes you feel like you've finally cracked the code to better health. And the best part? It's suitable for vegans and is gluten-free, so it works for almost everyone. Now, I know you're probably wondering how long it will take before you notice the results. For me, it was about a couple of weeks, but I've heard from others that they felt the change even sooner. The great thing about Finessa is that it works gradually, so there's no crash or sudden changes, just steady improvement. If you're ready to feel your best, trust me, this could be the start of a whole new chapter for you. And if you're like me and want to keep things natural and effective, this product is definitely worth considering. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're interested, check out the link in the description below for more details. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to watch my other videos for more product recommendations and tips. See you next time.